What is the role of heat capacity in climate science? Have you ever wondered why some places feel hotter or colder than others, even when they receive the same amount of sunlight? The answer lies in a property called heat capacity. So, what exactly is heat capacity, and why is it so important in climate science? Heat capacity measures how much heat energy is needed to raise the temperature of a substance by 1 degree. This property is essential for understanding how different parts of our planet, like the atmosphere, oceans, and land, absorb, store, and releases heat energy. These processes directly affect temperature changes and climate behavior. Let's break it down. Heat capacity tells us how resistant a material is to temperature change when it gains or loses heat. For instance, water has a high heat capacity compared to most rocks or air. This means oceans can absorb a lot of heat from the sun without a significant temperature increase. Because of this, oceans act as thermal reservoirs. They store heat and releases it slowly over time, which helps stabilize temperatures and influences weather patterns. On the other hand, land surfaces have lower heat capacity. They warm up and cool down more quickly, leading to rapid temperature changes. The atmosphere interacts with these surfaces and the oceans, distributing heat through processes like convection and radiation. Heat capacity also plays a role in daily and seasonal temperature cycles. During the day, the sun heats the Earth's surface, but how much it warms up depends on the heat capacity of the materials. At night, the stored heat is released, again influenced by heat capacity. From a thermodynamics perspective, heat capacity is an extensive property, meaning it depends on the amount of material present. Specific heat capacity normalizes heat capacity per unit mass, allowing us to compare different materials. In climate modeling, knowing the heat capacities of various Earth components is vital. It helps scientists predict how the climate system will respond to changes in energy input, like increased greenhouse gases or variations in solar radiation. This knowledge is essential for estimating how quickly temperatures will rise or fall and how heat moves through the climate system. In summary, heat capacity is about a material's ability to absorb and store heat energy. This property influences temperature changes, energy balance, and climate stability. Understanding heat capacity helps us grasp how the atmosphere, oceans, and land interact thermodynamically to shape the climate we experience.